Hello and welcome. I'm Zoe from My Kitchen Creation. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making black pepper steak. This recipe is super easy to make, but full of flavor. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Go ahead and slice your bell peppers. Slice your onion. For today's recipe, I am using sirloin steak strips, and I like to go in and slice them thinner for this recipe. Just like so. Now go ahead and continue the same process for the rest. Now it's time to season our beef with some black pepper and seasoned salt. Give that a mix. And make sure your beef is well coated with the seasoning. Over a medium-high heat in a large skillet or a wok, add your oil. Add your steak. Go ahead and stir them around so they don't stick to each other. So we're going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is how my steak is looking after. So now what I like to do is remove them and place them into a bowl. To that, add your sesame oil and your veggies. Go ahead and stir for 4 minutes. Now it's time to make our stir-fry sauce by adding some beef broth in a bowl, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Give that a mix. This is how my stir-fry sauce is looking. That looks great. This is how it's looking after 5 minutes. So now add some black pepper, ginger, and your garlic. After a minute, add your sauce. Now that the sauce has thickened, go ahead and turn your heat down to medium-low and add your beef back in. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my black pepper steak is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Go ahead and serve this with some steamed rice. It's super easy to make and it's just 30 minutes. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.